take a foam sheet and cut it round shape and mark the round shape as shown in the video and cut it. Here I am taking thick foam sheet for making the doll shelf. Now take a small circle and mark a half circle shape as shown in the video. Here I am making total 8 small shelves. Now cut it. Now 8 shelves are ready. Now take a big shelf foam sheet rounded and apply glue and attach the small circles to that big circle as shown in the video. It will be like a small shelf. Now shelves are ready. Let it dry for some time. After drying, total 8 shelves are ready. And for supporting, here I am making taking small pieces of foam sheets and attaching it for strong support for the shelf. Attach as shown in the video. Attach it with the BB gum. Here I am using BB gum. You can use Fevicol also. Now shelves are ready. Now color the foam sheet. Here I am using green color. You can use as per your wish. Now take a Mouldit clay and make a leaf shape like this. Here I am making lotus leaf and attach on the foam sheet. Let it dry for some time. Here I am making total leaves around this foam sheet. Now make a round line and attach around the border as a border to the foam sheet as shown in the video. Apply glue and stick it Mouldit clay. Now after drying it, apply paint neatly around the border to give a nice look. Here I am making shelf for the dolls, and after drying apply varnish. Here I am using wood varnish. You can use resin also for more beautiful look. Now this shelf is ready. It's looking like a real pound. And after this, on the back side I have pasted the wood and I have added clip for a hanging purpose. Now shelf is ready. Now attach to the wall hanging. Attach to the wall. Now wall shelf is ready. Now arrange the dolls. Here I am arranging the Ashta Lakshmi dolls one by one. Arrange all the dolls neatly and it will give a nice look. It will look like a real pound, and you can make a different doll shape as per your wish. Here I am making doll shelf for the Ashta Lakshmi dolls, and it is easy to make at home. Arrange all the dolls and it giving a nice clear look as a pound. Now dolls are ready and doll shelf is also ready. Hope you all enjoy my video. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more interesting craft videos. Thank you friends. See you in the next video.